Your brain works the highest when you expose it to physical experience, and that is why this physical project is happening, and I am making it happen for my student who is walking there, and I have left her in the unknown. She is walking in the unknown, and so you walk with me in the unknown and take the experience of life as it is. You need to know, if you want to recover from your Kundalini stagnancy, you have to move your body. You have to move your physical body, and you have to walk daily the way I do. Whether it is a cloudy day, whether it is a rainy day or sunny day, you need to walk and have the experience of life. Now this is a maize plant, and see the feel of it. Also, I will show you a grapevine and some grapes. Have a feel of these grapes. These are real grapes from a grapevine, and just feel the energy of having seen this. So, what kind of experience you should take while you move? Take the route of the unknown. She has gone there, and from there she will be walking to different route, and she is trying to find out which route to take, left or right. And as I have guided her to walk towards the mountain, and now she has crossed the road. So this is how my practical training goes. Your brain and nervous system doesn't work, and your mental patterns are too strong to live your life. And with my guidance, in my presence, you can change your brain and nervous system. Many of you who are going through Kundalini Awakening, they are going through the Kundalini neurosis condition where you cannot think about doing the daily functions of life. In that case, you need my powerful presence and energy and the transformative power that I have to work on yourself. When you do that, you are free. I am taking you to the daily movement practice that I do every day, and I experience life from a different perspective. If you have to experience life, you have to change the function of life. You have to change the way you function. You have to change the way you operate. You don't have to find an ideal place to walk, but you should find a place and city where walking is a culture. I am in Pokhara, where the air quality is extremely good. You can feel the freshness. Sometimes it is cloudy, that's okay, but it is not filled with pollution. So I found a cat and I will interact with her. It ran away, that's okay. It's absolutely fine. This means that you are interacting with life. Look at these creepers and the way they are appearing, filled with greenery, life, and these are a kind of bitter gourd, the mountain bitter gourd, which is often called Pahadi Kela. Such a raw experience I am making you feel. Walking is such a pleasure to walk in this kind of environment, and it's actually rewarding when you do it freely. You don't have to go to the office, you don't have to attend to anyone else other than yourself in life, and that is why this is powerful life. This powerful life is extremely rewarding for me. Have a look and feel of the place. Mountains everywhere, I'm going towards those mountains. I have come from those mountains. I had a good experience with life today in multiple ways. And I will keep showing you anything that is unique on the way. So have a feel of these flowers and these creepers. See the colors, the vibrant color of life. And along with this, you need to expose yourself to life. Feel it. Feel the vibrancy around and the sunlight shining bright. When you focus on yourself, you will feel that the creative energy of Kundalini is flowing in you. Kundalini herself is the life force that wants to live life through you. So this is natural creation, natural ambience, and what more do you want? Lots of butterflies, so you are the larva and you are going through the metamorphosis process of becoming a butterfly. This butterfly which was flying is what Kundalini wants you to fly. You are guided by Kundalini to get transformed through different ways, different means, but you are not following Kundalini's guidance. Just have a feel of this place with the banana plant there in series and everything that is visible to you. Kundalini is guiding you towards a life which she is converting you from larva to butterfly. And this metamorphosis process is what is difficult for you. It involves challenges of different kinds. It involves challenges of different means. This means that the journey is not easy. The journey is not at all easy. It is filled with different layers of transformation that you go through, and without the Guru, that is not possible. Kundalini's journey is not possible without me, and that is why I confidently ask my students to come to me if they are unable to move to the next level on their own, especially when they have completed their freedom projects. Freedom project is an important step, and after the freedom project, the physical project is must. But you have to become eligible first for the freedom project, and then only you can experience this life. So how do I get all my energies from? That's the secret which I am teaching you. That's the secret I am taking you through. So the mission for my student today was to reach a place near the mountains on her own, and I just showed the path. Actually, she came on her own, and I may not be capturing her, but I will definitely show you how I make my students go through the process of transformation. Have a feel and vibe of this place, and I will meet her on the lakeside. See, less crowd, less transportation, and more of life and more of everything. Everything.
Hello guys.
Attention seeking behavior, as you see, is common. So you made it. Come this side. Yes, this is the Fiva Lake. Yes, this is the Fiva Lake, and I will make you experience this side also, maybe tomorrow. You can sit here. Yes. Congratulations, you did it.
So beautiful.
Yes. So have the experience of this lakeside and know how Guru does everything. It's a beautiful day today to experience life. Feel the stillness. You can sit on this side with your legs on this side. Yes, and get lost. Look at those purple flowers. So this was the Guru's path to take her to the unknown, and now she is feeling the freedom of reaching the unknown. So while she is enjoying, I will show you another perspective of this area, this view. Isn't it great? Bye-bye.